Remember, y'all on camera. Shaking my head. Shaking. Okay, we're doing substitution again today. So wherever I see an x value, I'm going to substitute my 4y plus 10 here. So when I rewrite my equation, I'm going to have 2x plus 3, my y value of 4y plus 10 is equal to 64. I'm going to distribute. So when I distribute, I'm taking 3 and multiplying it by 4x. Or, yeah, no. Mr. Young is messing up, y'all. Ain't nobody catch me. They told me x is equal to this, so it's going here. I'm disappointed in y'all. 2 times my 4y plus 10 plus 3y is equal to 64. There we go. So now when I distribute, I'm going to have 2 times my 4y plus, I'm doing my 2 again, times my 10. My arm hurt, hold on. I might have to run the board like this in a long time. It's going to be equal to, oh my bad, plus 3y is equal to 64. 2 times 4y should give me a 8y, plus 2 times 10 should give me 20. Now I still have my 3y and my 64. Do I see like terms? Yes, I do. My 8y, my positive 3y. So I'm going to add these together. That should give me 11y. And I'm going to bring down the rest of my equation. Plus 20 is equal to, is equal to my 64. So now I'm going to subtract 20 from each side. That's going to leave me with 11y is equal to 64 minus 20 should give me 44, right? So I divide by 11 and y equals 4. So now that I know that y equals 4, I'm going to take this 4 and now I'm going to substitute this 4 in for my y for this equation where they tell me x equals. So now I'm going to have x is equal to 4. My y is a positive 4 plus 10. 4 times 4 is 16, and then 16 times plus 10 is 26. So my solution for this equation, the system of equations, should be 26, 4. And remember, whenever y'all write y'all solutions, they should be in an ordered pair. You got me? Cool. You don't even got your note packet out. I got all this written down.
I got it all down.
You still missing some stuff.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you can do the 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 10 is 26. You don't have your final answer being 26 and 4. Let's go on to this next one. Wherever I see y, I'm going to substitute my 4x minus 19. So now I'm going to have 2x plus 4. Now I'm going to substitute my negative 4x minus 19 in for my y. that's going to equal 8 still. So now I'm going to distribute. So I'm still going to have my positive 2x. Now I'm taking 4 and multiplying it by a negative 4x. I'm taking my, hey, why do you just do that? Just do me off. I'm taking my 4 and then multiplying it by negative 19. And I'm still setting that equal to 8. When I distribute, I'm still going to have my 2x, I haven't touched it, minus 4 times the negative 4x is going to give me a negative 16x, minus, somebody do 4 times negative 19 for me real quick.
76.
So I see like terms, I'm going to start with combining these. So 2 minus 16, x should give me a negative 14x. I still have my minus 76 is equal to 8. So now I'm going to add my 76 to each side. And I should have a negative 14. X is equal to, what's this? 8 plus 76 is what, 84?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now if I divide by 14, by negative 14 on each side, what am I going to get? What's my answer? Somebody else in there. Dang, you still don't have your paper down.
All right.
Why don't you have enough paper? You don't. That's a little concerning. X is going to equal a negative 6. Now, I'm going to substitute x in for this equation. So I'm going to have y is equal to negative 4 times a negative 6 minus 19. Negative 4 times negative 6 is 24, and then 24 minus 19 should give me 5. So I know my coordinate point and my answer, my solution is negative 6 and 5. Make sense to y'all?
Is that a negative 4?
Yes, it's supposed to be a negative 4. Is that better? Moving on. Wherever I see y, I'm going to substitute 3x plus 6 in. Okay, pay attention. I'm going to see a lot of mistakes on the test on this one. I'm already knowing or something like this. So I'm going to have my negative 8x minus, I still have my 3x plus 6 is equal to 5. Y'all see this negative sign in front of this parentheses, right? So we have to distribute it. So we're going to be distributing a negative 1. So in this situation, what I'm really going to be doing is I'm doing 8x. I'm going to do minus 1 times 3x minus 1 times 6 is equal to 5. That's what my distribution is going to look like. So then I still have my negative 8x. Oh goodness, come back. But now I'm going to have a negative 3x minus 6 is equal to 5. Does that make sense to y'all? If you just see a negative sign in front of your parentheses, it's a -1. So when we distribute, we have to distribute -1. That makes sense to y'all? Assume everybody's good. We all good here? Cool. Next thing I should do is combine my like terms. -8x minus 3x should give me a -11x. And I still have my -6 is equal to 5. Open that door for me, somebody. Now I'm going to add 6 to each side. So what's 5 plus 6? This will be 11, right? So now I'm going to take my -11 and divide it by each side. So my x would be a -1. So now that I know my x is equal to a -1, I'm going to substitute it right there. So I should have y is equal to 3 times my -1 plus 6. 3 times -1 is a -3, and -3 plus 6 should give me a positive 3. So y equals 3. So now I have my solution of -1 and positive 3. That should be my solution. You doing okay? Should be doing okay? Good. Why is it warm? You're getting warm here or something? That's nasty. So this next one, well, I see 7x, I'm substituting in for y. Same type of problem, right? Where I'm gonna have this negative that I'm gonna have to pay attention to. So I have 6x minus my y value of 7x minus 4. And I'm going to set that equal to 9. So when I distribute, remember I'm taking a -1 and multiplying that by 7x. I'm taking a -1 and multiplying that by a -4. And it's still going to equal 9. So after I've gone through and I do my distribution, I should be left with 6x. -1 times the 7x should give me a -7x. -1 times -4 should give me positive 4. And I bring down my 9. I combine my like terms, so 6 minus 7x should give me a -x. And I'm going to bring down the rest of my problem. So now I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. And I should be left with -x is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. Then I'm going to divide by -1 to get rid of my negative sign. So x should equal a -5 now. And so from there, I'm going to substitute this -5 in for x in my equation up here. So I have y is equal to 7 times the -5 minus 4. 7 times -5 is a -35. And -35 minus 4 should give me a -39. So y is equal to negative 39. Meaning my final answer for my coordinate point is negative 5, negative 39. Being my final answer. Give you a couple seconds to write that down before I move on.
You said we gotta get through 15.
The goal is to try to get through 15. That's the goal. If we get there, we get there. If not, we don't. I'll take my Mr. Young tax.
You sure?
Why?
I never tried these.
You never tried these. Oh, Lord. Basically, it turned into Mexican candy. So if you don't like Mexican candy, you're not gonna like it. Yes. Anybody else want one?
Never tried it. I don't stop now.
Y'all scared?
Sounds good. What is on the mood?
What is that?
Well, it's Skittle gummies, and they put like that fuego. They call it fuego, but it just tastes like a Mexican something.
Isn't bagel and spices?
Mm. Pretty much. It's not bad. Same thing, right? Well, I might finish. Like I said, last class we didn't finish. Now I'm gonna stick around the room. I feel like we should be comfortable enough now to where y'all can start answering questions with me. So, Miss Pittman, we gonna start with you. What am I doing first? What's this whole thing called?
You're gonna do the first equation first, right?
Right, but what am I doing? I have to do what?
Substitute
So what am I substituting?
the x and y.
Right, so where I see y, I'm doing what?
Substitute the 3.
So I should have negative x minus 7. And then what's my y?
Negative.
You always say it.
Oh, x.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and then negative 19.
Minus 19, yep. Do the 13. Cam, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me write up my distribution.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was purple. True. Alright, Cam. What is...
Miss Ma'am, you're talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the person next to you. Cam, what's negative 7 times negative 3x?
You got more systems.
Oh, he just hit me with the finger, y'all. Y'all see that?
What?
He told me the way. He hit me with the 1 second finger. I don't know. I'm gonna wait.
Your girlfriend here today? She here? She here? Tell her you're here today. Ask me a question. Oh, you ain't know him. Oh,
You don't know what 7 times 3 is?
him on here today?
Oh,
You don't know what 7 times 3 is?
that's nice.
Yeah, I know he knows. I'm being funny with him.
Alright.
Thank you. I'm gonna just act like you said 21x. plus what's 7 times 19?
Well, 133.
Ain't nothing in there.
All right, Daniel, now it's your turn. What do I do next?
I made these dessert cups. I got a pre-order though. Oh, hold on. No.
She not selling. She's short.
I'm not even showing to you.
She's not.
They earrings. Look at that. You look like you're gonna tell.
No, no, I'm only looking over
I'm
it.
just playing.
I'm only looking over it to give an answer.
Alright.
You want to
I'm just playing.
oh.
Come on now.
Damian, so what am I doing?
Did 5 pick 21?
No, don't do that yet. You're trying to move too fast.
Somebody just in my feed.
What do we have right here?
I'm gonna show you some of my story.
Those are what? Yes, but no, they're not exponents. Starts with an L. It's 2 words. First word starts with an L, second starts with a T.
What's the?
So they're like terms, right?
Oh.
So we're gonna combine our like terms. So that means we're doing what? What are we doing?
And?
Yeah, so what's negative x plus 21x? In other words, what's negative 21 plus, what's negative 1 plus 21?
Wait, wait, no, not negative. Just 22.
Not 22.
21.
Think of it like this. What's 21 minus 1?
20.
So negative 1 plus 21 is going to be 20x. So we have 20x. Bring on the rest of my stuff. Okay. Miss Clark! Miss Clark! What do I do next? Here we go, I don't know. We give you 2 choices. We can either divide by 20 or we can subtract 133. Only one of these answers is right. Which one is right? I just heard him whisper the correct answer to you. You want to phone a friend? You can phone a friend if you need to phone a friend. Miss Pittman, could you help Miss Clark out? She's phoning you as a friend.
Subtract
Subtract what?
the 130.
Yes. See, you ain't need no friend.
He's busy right now.
It's negative 120.
Uh-huh. So Miss Clark, repeat what he just gave you. He just gave you the answer. What's 133? What's 13 minus 133? He just gave you the answer. It's gonna be a
The
negative
130.
120. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, Dre. So now what do I do? Now it's your turn to answer, Dre. What do I do now? Uh-huh. So what's 120? What's negative 120 divided by 20? Oh my goodness. Look. I love when people can do that. Yes. Good job, guys. So now I'm gonna come over here, up here. So I have negative 6. Substitute that in for my x in this equation. So I should have y is equal to negative 3 times what my x is at negative 6 times 19. So I was about to call you. I'm not gonna call you. I wasn't calling you, but I'm not gonna call you. Actually, I lied. Yes, I am. So go ahead and enter that into my calculator. So what's negative 3 times negative 6 minus 19? How did you get that? Oh, no, I know what you did. So negative 3 minus because I think you pressed this for your 19 so you subtract. So it multiplied negative 19 too. So like Jennifer said, I should get a negative 1. I'm gonna break it down to you how. Negative 3 times negative 6 should give me a positive 18, and 18 minus 19 is a negative 1. So my coordinate point should be negative 6, negative 1. Final answer. Eric, help me out. How do I start this next one? What do I do first?
You substitute the y with 5y minus 9.
Yes. We're gonna put, what color you want to use? What color should I use for my y?
Green.
Green, okay. Feeling like the Hulk today, huh? Jennifer, well, all right, Saul, go ahead. When I distribute, let me write it out first before you start going and give me answers, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, so when I distribute, I wrote it out. So what's negative 3 times 5y? And then what's negative 3 times negative 9? What's 3 times 9? Uh-huh. Eric, I hate when I do this. It's supposed to be in green. It was nobody gonna tell me I messed up. I did it last period, I just did it this period, just on a different problem. So I used to substitute for y, I just substituted for y instead of x. It's okay. Mr. Young having a bad day apparently. It's alright though. We gonna get it right. So when I distribute, I'm gonna have a negative 2 times 5y minus 2 times a negative 9 minus 3y equals 57. Okay, now I'm back on track. I'm sorry, so I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm messing up today. So what's negative 2 times 5? Uh-huh. And then what's 2 times 9? Okay, I'm back on track now. Cool. You trying to hit me with a calculator? I was going to ask you a question. You just threw it at me. Note that Miss Pittman threw a calculator at me in a third period. 9:42. We're going to combine my like terms, right?
Yes.
So what's negative 10y minus 13 minus 3y?
7. 7y.
What's 10 plus 3?
Oh, 13y.
So it's going to be a negative what?
13y.
Uh-huh.
Subtract the 18.
You know what? If you want to keep, keep cooking, Miss Pittman. I'm okay with it. Keep cooking. Keep cooking.
Both sides.
Right, so I have my negative 13y is equal to, what's this? 57 minus
Wait,
18? it should, yeah, it's a negative 18. So 57 minus 18 is what?
You said I'm right. Oh, right.
So y is going to equal what? Negative 3? Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. I'm a little bad right now. It's okay, Miss Pittman, I'm gonna let you finish. So now, I'm gonna substitute this in for my top equation, right? So I have x is equal to 5. We know my y is a negative 3 minus 9. So you can type that whole thing in your calculator, tell me what you get.
Negative 24.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, so I'm trying to hurry to finish. So, my coordinate points is negative 24, negative 3. And go ahead, pack up. Somebody stop my video for me, please, and thank you. I appreciate y'all.